Hey guys, welcome back to Hustler's algorithm. Today we are going to be learning the concept of DFS. So in DFS, we keep on visiting a path until there are any possible paths. So let's start with the start node. Let's say the start node, which will be the source, is 1. So from 1, we can visit either 2 or 10 first. So let's start with 2. So we'll go to 2. First, we visit 1. Now we'll also maintain a visited array to keep track of all the visited elements so that the elements are not visited twice. So let's add this one into the visited array and let's add it into the answer. Then we'll go to 2. Then we'll add it into the array, the answer array and the visited array. Now from 2, let's go to its adjacent position. Okay, so we'll go to 4. We'll add this 4. Now, as there are no paths ahead, we'll again come back. From 4, we'll not go to 2 because it is already visited, as you can see in the visited array. So we'll return back. Now we'll go to 3 because now 4th is visited. We'll go to 3, add it into our answer. Let's mark it as visited. Now we'll return back from 3 and now we'll go to 5. Let's add it into our answer, mark it as visited, and then we'll return from 5 and now we have this path 6. Okay, so we'll go there, add it into our answer, mark it as visited. Now let's move ahead from 6. From 6 we can go to 7. We cannot go to 2 because it is visited earlier. So let's go to 7, add it to our answer. Now mark it as visited. From 7, let's go to 8. Let's add 8 into our answer. Mark 8 as visited. Now from 8, as there are no paths ahead, we can return back. So let's go to 7. From 7 again we'll return. From 6 we'll again return to 2. And as all the nodes from 2 are visited, we'll again return from 2 and we'll come to 1 again. And from 1 we have this path which is still unvisited. So we'll go to this direction, then visit 10, then just add it into our answer, mark it as visited. So yeah, so the complete graph is now traversed. So this is depth first search. So you can use this Java code for DFS. So here we have this node which will be the source node initially. Then we have this visited array which will store all the elements which are visited. Then we have this adjacency list to store our graph, and then we have this answer to store our answer values. So when we come to any of the node, we'll just add it into our answer, mark it as visited, and for all its adjacent nodes we'll just traverse its nodes, and if it is not visited then we'll recursively run this DFS function for that particular node. So this will give the answer for the DFS on that graph. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.